So hi guys, so in today's video we would be looking back again at the TFX series that we have been following through. So it has been a month since I put any video on my channel. So the reason was my exams were going on, and the person who doesn't study for around 1 to 2 months in a small semester needs time to recover from that and study back for the exams. And my university is soon going to open offline, so I'm just preparing for that. So that is the reason I wasn't able to upload the videos, but as most of the things are over now, I would try that my videos go up on YouTube regularly. So let's continue with the series. So if you remember, we from the previous video we talked about transformer, and now we were at the point of trainer. So for trainer, basically we even did that, but I would explain that again. So tfx.components.trainer, and you give the modular file to it, the examples, that is the transformer outputs that you got from it, the graph that you got from the transformer, the schema gen that you got from the schema gen dot outputs, and then those train parameters, that the number of steps, the evaluation parameters is 5000 and the training parameter is 10,000, and you context.run trainer. I would simply run this, and I would simply just turn on the dark mode to make things look easy. Yeah, so when you see here uh, the execution ID, the add trainer, you see inputs, examples, transformer schema, the channels, the outputs, and the execution properties of the component inputs. Now the component outputs show you the channel of model type, the artifact of the model, in which you can see that classes and the URI that is defined here, and the model.run, the type of things. Now you won't directly use this. See, means you won't directly do things with this. This is just a model that you have prepared, so you would use this model in this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to analyze this using the TensorBoard. So if you don't know about TensorBoard, you simply need to write TensorBoard, and you would directly go to the website of TensorBoard, and it's like a visualization kit that provides the visualization and tooling that is needed for the deep learning and machine learning experimentations. You can directly get started with TensorBoard.dev, and get started. Prepare your TensorBoard logs, preparation stuff, run the code, or you can directly do get started, and it is going to take you to the part how you need to do things with it. And you can directly run that with keras model.fit. Just show it here that callback is equals to .tensorboard model.fit, and after that just to take those logs and display them. Same we are going to do here. The model artifacts that we have got, we are the variable we are defining is the output that we got from the trainer. And what did trainer give us? The model, obviously. Now we got that model from trainer. We are going to take the first initial set. No, let's dive deep into the complex part, and we are going to print it using the os.list directory, and then we are going to tell it the model directory path. Now this is the join path that we're connecting the model directory, artifact directory with the format serving path, and we are going to print the model directory. So I would simply run this, and you can see the format serving and assets, keras metadata, saved model, and variables. These are the 4 to 5 things that we are going to display. And if you see here on this website, you can also see these are the only part that are displayed here. Now how do you display? Now for that, model.run.artifact directory, this is the variable defined. Trainer.outputs, you what we will see here, the particularly training of the model part, that is model run, and the first initial set as usual. Now for displaying that we use extension TensorBoard, and for displaying TensorBoard, the you saw here log directory and the log slash fit, and we have got that for that model run artifact directory variable. So I would simply run this, and you can see running TensorBoard port 606 started to kill it. Okay, so it's just going to load in a second, I guess. Yeah, it's loading slowly. Yeah, so this is the TensorBoard is here. you can see similar things. So this is TensorBoard, scalar, graph, time series, inactive, images, audio, debugger, everything is present here, you know. You can I guess light I would do, yeah, it's quite clear I guess. And you can, in the settings, you can reload the data, the period time, the training, the evaluation. Now the smoothing part is here, the horizontal axis. Now if you see here the batch binary accuracy, you can see all the things are displayed here based on the log directory that has stored all the metadata type. Now the batch loss you can see here, this is here. So what is this different from the regular things we do? Suppose you are working on a proper production pipeline, there you would like to see proper functioning and training part and evaluation part of your model. You won't be like just like a cat or dog differentiation model. You won't be like, okay, 99% accuracy we have got, that's the end. You won't do like that. You want to give best thing to your customers or your clients. For that, your ML model should have literally everything present in there. So for that, you need visualization, and for that, creating a production pipeline using trainer is the best answer. So in the graph section, you can see this is the whole graph which it has created, and I love this feature of the graph. You can see the binary accuracy, the binary loss, the identity, div and one, everything is literally here, and I just like so much TensorFlow for this. This is your model. The stack, nope, expansion, binary cross entropy, gradient tape, Adam is the loss function we are using. I mean activation functions and loss functions are defined here. And you can see the trace inputs. Now if you want to see the particularly time series one, okay, it's yeah, here it is. Pin cards for quick and view expansion. This is the time series, binary accuracy, validation, train, run, card width. I would like to expand something like that. So it has got literally everything. So if you want to see scalars, image, histogram, for now I would do images. Let's see what if, because you have not written any image data to your event, TensorBoard can't find that. So yeah, it's very obvious that it is going to happen. Same will happen with text and custom scalars. Now yeah, this is how things work in TensorBoard. So this was it for the video. In the next video we are going to talk about the next tool. So we are almost at the end, we don't have much tools left. If I go up here, we are done with example statistics, example validator, schema gen, transformer, tuner, trainer. Now what is left? Evaluator and pusher. If you want, we can also talk about infra validator, but I guess evaluator and pusher are the two main things that we need to talk about. So in the next two videos we are going to complete it, obviously, the series. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the content, and if you like, so you can just subscribe the channel. It is always a motivation for me to keep making such videos for you all. So thank you and have a nice day.